Hi, JC. I wanted to go this way and give you feedback on the questions that you asked about. On question one, there is a federal minimum wage. However, each state can adjust their minimum wage to a different level as well. So, so that's why this is false, because other states have higher minimum wages, and in that state, they have to follow that. Let me see if you asked about a question. Nope. Now, for this question, the demand for noodles is given by this equation. Now, they give you the price is 8, so you put 8 in here, you put 200 in here, and you put 10 in here, and it'll give you, add this up. So 20 minus 40 times 10, so it's 20 minus 40 plus 0.2 times 200 minus 16. And then you add and subtract all that up, it should get 5. So insert the numbers in here and make sure that the positives and negatives follow. Same thing with this question. You're just inputting information right in here for that. Let's see if you asked about 12. Now, if price elasticity of demand, if A, B, C, and D are 0, so that's unit elastic. That's inelastic because it's less than 1. That's elastic, and that's elastic. The demand for goods would be, this is the only one that would be elastic right here. It's greater than 1. This is equal to 1, still would be that inelastic. So it would be right here, negative 1.5, greater than 1. So the answer is this right here. '21 is a very basic question, and all they're looking at is this. According to figure 7.1, which is this one, which of the following is incorrect? Indifference curves do not cross. Okay, indifference curves, they should cross. This is where it's false. They should not cross. Consumers always prefer more, a higher consumption level. Consumers are indifferent between two consumptions. If you look at they're not indifferent between these two right here for quantity of hours. They're not indifferent between this. You said from B and C, they are indifferent from B and C. There is a difference right there. I think you'll be better off, you will improve from your ability to look and see how these questions are developed and start really developing your study habits around what you're seeing. And if you need additional help, here's a good resource to do as well. I would go to YouTube. I'd put in ACDC. Nope, sorry about that. ACDC and whatever concept. So let's say change in demand. If you put in this ACDC and, this guy comes up. Very helpful guy visually that will really assist with your effort. And if you need any more resources, let me know, as I'd be more than willing to assist.